Time to answer the question. Are we still in the arcade?
Yeah!
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Am I ever gonna get that cool jump I was doing before? Come on, do the jump.
Those are front
Do
flips.
the jump. That wasn't it. That wasn't it either. Do the jump, you bitch! Fuck it, I don't care anymore. Get on the elevator.
It's gonna eat you up at live.
It really
You're gonna
is.
be in your bed, just like she did the jump.
She did it
Why
once.
did she do it again?
Why do you hate me?
It's become your WB frog, where like the guy goes insane.
Oh,
the frog
it's like
only dances when he's watching.
it dances. I swear it's
It's
dancing.
not disco. It's funk.
I thought it was disco. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the guy had a top hat. Top hat's not disco.
Just got old Commodore 64 on us.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at the doggy. Oh, that's just.
But I do enjoy the Commodore 64
Blue
reference.
ghosts.
Does it really count as a reference if you just say it's Commodore 64?
No, I guess not. But the fact they said Commodore 64, and I guarantee you, most
That
of
was
the kids
the-
playing nowadays don't.
What the hell is the Commodore
They're
64?
like, oh, I guess they couldn't say Atari.
Oh, I thought he ate it for a second. I'm like, you son of a bitch.
Are you ready? Start.
I'm not ready. Let me go through. The door command out. Yeah. Fuck your letters.
Oh, that's cool. They all
One thing I don't
sliced.
have to worry about is calloused thumbs.
Full pretty much. Mine. Oh god, there's more. Oh god, there's more. Okay, we get it.
Is there more?
Nope.
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Oh, that's
We haven't even seen the guy. Oh,
The dog's duty things, yeah.
Juliet, can I ask you something?
Don't do it.
Sort of sensitive.
Oh, yes, Nick?
My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it a little?
Oh.
Yeah. Choppy choppy.
That was actually pretty funny.
The sensitive thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure you have to ask that constantly. Ah!
Now you can oh, they should have been able to attack. Oh, I guess. Oh,
I don't know what's
two weird
going on.
faces.
I don't know what's going on. Why does it want me?
You win!
I win!
Alright.
Yay! Yeah, they blow up too.
Wasn't really too hard.
I got hit. That's hard enough. Give me money. Give me money. Where's my money?
Why do you keep thinking you're gonna get money out of this?
I thought I heard money.
No, it was the thing unlocking.
No, that's lame. Got my wiggle.
Next level.
Next level.
Next level.
I said that.
Level next.
Yeah!
Got it. One take.
Now seems like the perfect time to take a shopping break.
Shopping break. Do
we have money?
I don't know. We'll find. Yeah, we actually do. Not many model. Oh, what kind of threads we got?
Threads.
Yeah. Oh. I
Date night costume.
kind of want that actually.
Why not?
I said I want that.
Oh,
I can't get
it's
it.
only
though.
30.
30 medals. I only have 9.
Oh.
Different thing.
Oh, but you got all the medals that are $3.94.
Why do you talk?
I found something.
I have a speech impediment.
Oh. Is that how you say Zorberg in your language? He's a speech impediment. I don't know why I'm chopping him. I literally could walk into him and forget.
This thing.
That's true.
It's a massive butt. Oh god.
What does the nerd shirt say?
Are they wearing shirts?
Except for getting a total
Yeah,
one swinging this chainsaw around.
X.
I wonder if it's supposed to be Jinx. Like that game. That nerd.
Company.
Yeah.
That's true.
Why is there a ballerina? You don't. Nerds don't ballerina.
Well, maybe it's like, God, it's just so.
Brutal. Is it metal?
It's
It's a chainsaw, so it has to be metal. It was pretty bad. Yeah, it's about the quality of what the game we're playing, so.
We haven't got any like good upgrades recently.
I haven't got a birthday present in a while. I want another
Nick's gonna be a girl.
Yeah, Nick.
Where's the joke on this one?
Oh well.
This. Okay. I don't know how to feel about this.
I'm surprised this isn't being met with like,
More comments.
yeah.
You might have something afterwards. Up, up. Oh, jeez. Doing that.
Why is it so much effort you had to put into that?
I believe it needs a lot of effort. Can I move? I can go help you if I can move. Oh, you're dead. Who cares?
Ready to die. We're gonna bring these zombies the funk, right, Nick?
You probably should be doing some type of charge attack.
No, Rose. Bring them the funk.
That's not the button anyway.
Sorry, I was thinking of something else, and I'm really sorry.
There we go.
Oh god, you look like you're already dead.
Friend request you tonight.
What? Social
People are
media
pretty
again.
nonchalant about like
Just people dying.
people dying and seeing these barbaric things. And,
Well, I feel like if there's a whole demon hunter family, it must be the norm.
yeah, but it's not like they knew. Nick didn't know. It's not common knowledge.
Okay, that's a good point. Hey, did I save you? What?
That's
What?
a mental illness? Is that what he said?
Death metals for pussies.
Did he?
Yeah. That's why I'm just like, why? Nope, none of us are doing death metal. Ooh, did I see that? Yeah. Guess what time it is? Yeah.
There we go.
Your
Now I
favorite-
can see if. Nope, that was it.
Oh, what a disappointing.
Apparently, only got that once. And that was definitely in the commercials.
Was it?
Yep.
Josie James. Bitch.
Do we actually get to see the guy?
I don't know. We'll find out. Next time. I mean, no.
Start. What are we playing this time?
Platformer? Oh, no.
Burger time?
Pitfall.
Is it Pitfall?
Kinda-esque, maybe? No.
Oh, I know
what
this
is.
game.
I can't think of what it is.
It's like part of a save collection, I think, or something.
What do I do?
You have to go up and down the elevator.
Where's the
on the
elevators?
floors.
There's the
Check
elevator.
out these elevators.
Oh god. Oh god, why? Jesus Christ!
Wow, that just wrecked you.
Yes, delicious.
That basically said,
Fuck
eat
you.
a digital dick.
What am I supposed to do now?
I guess just keep going up. You have to keep going up.
It won't let me. Oh, there's a door there. Okay. Ah, okay, the red one's a door. Oh
This is
god,
all
this is gonna be
too
bad for
surreal,
me.
but the little dude in a red
I'll
cap
tell you
and
when you
blue
get to a
overalls
door.
pops up,
Okay,
and I'm
thank you.
seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
Oh god, what am I doing? Why?
I thought the game was dying on us again. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, up, up, up.
Well, goodbye everybody. It was a good time.
Enjoy seeing a game will never be.
Ah. Blah, 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 blah. You never played Left 4 Dead, right?
I beat the first one. Me and my friend beat the first one
From
together.
time to time.
Nick,
What's the point of that?
My friend Cam Dog.
dirty.
Cam Dog?
Yeah, that's his handle.
Cam Dog.
Dog.
Is it like... Is it like a... No,
You know.
I don't. It was... oh. What,
Yeah, oh,
didn't
you
I-
have to do the jump thing.
Yeah. Look at those skills.
You
wish
think
you
one
had
of the
those skills.
zombies would at least be like, oh,
Fuck
she's
you. I'm
coming at me.
gonna just grab her.
Nowhere else she's going on this one.
I like that she does the Predator reference.
What is it?
If it bleeds, like, if it bleeds, it can
kill it.
yeah.
You press the red door.
Should notice that.
Right there.
Yep.
They
Yeah, what
Oh,
I'm
time
doing
to
with
get
you.
your buddy in it.
Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Oh, I
Your
know.
butt
I think.
never looks ginormous, Julia.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me press these buttons.
Good at that.
I am, thank God. Oh, breakdancing
Oh.
skills even. Shit. Can I just fall? Oh no, it's another cop.
Yeah, there's another cop.
Yeah, it's a
up there.
copper.
Going up.
You gotta wait when he's not looking.
Okay, Jesus Christ. What am I supposed to do with this? Nope.
Oh, that was close.
That was a little too close for me. Let's use another pop. Yeah, give me money. Thank you.
It's more fun killing zombies when they're in rainbow colors, huh?
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
Up, up.
What the fuck?
Well, I thought that was the game over.
It's like that'd be fucking up. It's like Pumpkin Dog with a fez.
I kind of like that design. Not gonna lie.
Not bad. It's classy. Like little simple,
Classy.
classic. I would say.
Classy.
I'm a classy motherfucker.
Yeah, right. You're an assy motherfucker.
Why do you have to say things that hurt?
That's all I know.
Ah!
There we go.
All right. Get close up. There we go. Let's see if you're wrong. I think you're wrong.
I guess I am. It's probably just.
Yeah, you're just stupid. We're okay.
It's chainsaw itself.
I may be colorblind, but at least I know things.
Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my
Watch, we're gonna get a video of someone slowing this down, and
It
I'm
says, James, you're wrong.
right. That man will win the internet and my heart. Or a woman. Regardless, my heart and the internet is theirs.
I like how you just give them the internet. Like, IT crowd. Oh, we told you that was the internet, didn't we?
You never stop.
No.
What's Jen doing with the internet?
We already told her. Aww. My part of anonymous.
My Paul Anonymous. I'm pretty sure I am.
I like your Irish accent. Just kind of not a slang.
Irish?
Where's Irish?
He is.
This
He
you
is.
motherfucker! Don't mess with me.
He is because they had the episode where the guy.
They told me that waking up with an Irish person next to you is good luck. I don't know if anyone actually said that, but I'm gonna believe it anyway.
I'm leg disabled.
You're like disabled. Oh, I'm Irish. Can I just have a... What? Moonwalk on my face. That's just
Walk
mean.
on your face.
Oh, that's definitely not good. Ah! Why is this giving a power up? I don't get it.
Music, move your body.
Ow, you are fucking me up. Oh shit.
Get it off.
What did I get? I must have got
You
the
killed the other dude too.
Yeah. Ah!
Probably should have used one of your hyper.
I'll do what I want to.
At least watch your health.
I'm watching my health. I'm watching it go down step.
As you got hit, making it better.
Watch my back. Your back just got hit 2 times.
What's that from?
That is Dave Chappelle in
That's
Men in
right.
Tights.
Men in Tights. I was thinking it was a Stephen Chow.
Wouldn't put it past him either.
It sounds like a Stephen Chow joke.
It does.
All the other zombies just doing the smart move and
Not being killed.
not being killed. All right, let's see what we're playing now.
Something that kills me. Is it Lollipop, Lollipop? Oh, lollipop.
I hate you.
Lollipop.
I hate you. That song's gonna be stuck in my head, and I'm not gonna
You're
sleep
gonna go to
tonight.
sleep, and you just be like, you close your eyes and you're like, lollipop, in
God,
my
it's
voice.
gonna be horrible sounding. And right before I die, I just hear the lollipop, lollipop.
I'll make sure to play that at a funeral as well.
Lollipop.
Oh.
And that's
Oh,
it.
no.
That's it. Lights just go out. That's a horror movie right there. That's the horror movie trailer. It's just the girl, demonic girl. Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lollipop,
Oh god!
lollipop.
It's fucking Pong with monsters.
Oh, it is. All right.
I don't want to get hurt.
Can the bar hurt them?
Yes. Well, at least the dot can. I don't know if the bar can.
That's probably what I meant to say. That would've
It's
been
totally
correct
what you
thing.
meant to say.
Oh, their life shows in colors?
I guess? Oh, that was
That was-
lucky. Yeah, now I need a health. I'm getting too much of my lollipop.
You're definitely getting the crap kicked out. Is this normal or do we like...
This is still normal. I did that because even though I beat the game already, I don't have any of my power-ups.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's... Oh, God! Oh! Oh!
Power up, zombie. You're gonna want to use...
What's the button for Nick?
To wear parachute
I
pants, Nick.
don't know. You might just want to do your...
Oh, I can't
hyper
use it
skill.
here. Okay. Yeah, 1 clean strike. I got
4 zombies.
zombies.
Impressive.
It's impressive. That was another one. Bye, bitch. Oh, there's 1 square left. Oh. Are you done?
Pretty difficult.
No!
I was that was gonna be a pretty difficult game of Pong. If
You
you're
have, like,
fighting
1.
with 1 square. That's not goal.
Oh, fuck me.
Yeah, there we go.
That was the... Hey, Lollipop! Hey, it's Lollipop, Lollipop, Lollipop.
Lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. Take your soul, take your soul. Your life and soul, take your soul.
That is one thing I never liked about a lot of horror movies is like, let's just add kid songs into it. So there's no safe kid song after all we're done with them.
Did you ever see the video of like the Avengers reacting to Ultron singing when he does like No Shoes on Me. They're like, "Oh God, no! Could you really ruin that movie for me now?" He goes like, "I'll show you a whole new world." They're like, "Oh, it's even worse!" And he keeps going through other Disney stuff. He's like, "I don't know about this."
That's
And it all sounds horrible. Everything he
I
says
could
just sounds
imagine.
god awful.
All right,
And then the movie was god awful.
We'll talk about that next episode, okay? Next episode, we'll have some Avengers. We'll have some, not disco, funk. That's
Funkadelic.
it. Funkadelic people, person, thing.
Just say goodbye.
No, I don't want to say
Just
goodbye.
say
now. I don't
goodbye.
want. Now I want to stay for another like 10 minutes. You won't believe me. It's good because you shouldn't believe me. I'll see you guys next time.
Ta.